In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create switch in Figma. We'll start by sourcing a high-quality switch component from the Figma community and bring it into your own file so you can use and customize it quickly. First, head to figma.com in your browser and sign in so you can access community resources. Being logged in ensures you can open files directly in your account and copy assets without any permission issues. Next, go to the community section. You'll find it in the navigation inside Figma's web app or desktop app. The community is a huge library of free files shared by designers around the world, and it's perfect for grabbing common UI elements like switches. In the community search bar, type the word switch. This will surface UI kits and standalone components designed for toggles. If you're after a specific look, you can add terms like iOS, material, or dark mode to narrow the results. Preview a few options and look for designs that show both on and off states, and ideally variants for sizes or states. Choose a switch that matches your style and click into its file. On the file page, you'll typically see a preview and a button to open it. Click Open in Figma. The file will launch in your browser or the desktop app. If you're prompted to duplicate or open the file in your drafts, go ahead so you have your own editable copy. Once the file is open, locate the switch component on the canvas or in the Layers panel. Select the element you want, then copy it. You can use the standard copy shortcut on your device. If the file includes a main component, consider copying either the main component or an instance depending on how you plan to manage updates. Now switch over to your project file in Figma and paste. The switch will appear on your canvas, bringing along its styles and variants. If it's a component, you'll be able to use the Properties panel to toggle states, sizes, and interactions, which makes it easy to reuse consistently across your designs. Finally, customize it to fit your brand and use case. Adjust colors to match your palette, tweak corner radii or shadows, and set typography for any labels. If the component has variants, update the master so all instances stay consistent. For prototyping, enable interactive variants so the switch animates between on and off. Keep accessibility in mind by ensuring sufficient contrast and clear state changes. That's it. You've sourced, imported, and tailored a switch component in Figma ready for use in your design system and prototypes.